also known as curly proverbs, and I am going to be talking you through a very detailed wash day routine. I'm going to be talking you through some tips, tricks, some of my favorite items, how I mix them up to maximize their benefits, and just some pro tips to help you out with your wash day. I would say every 4 days to every week is my personal ideal. I do not like to let it go beyond a week, because if you let it go beyond that, what ends up happening is that your hair needs the hydration of the water, and so does your scalp, and you end up having a buildup of products so that anything that you're applying anew isn't actually able to penetrate the hair all that well. Now, it really has been quite a journey being able to make time for wash days. As some of you may know, I am a mum of 2. I run a business from home, and I do the school run and all the craziness that goes with being a wife, a mum, and an entrepreneur. So it really is like a commitment at times just to say, hey, I'm gonna carve out this time for me and actually have a bit of a wash day. One of the things that has really helped increase the frequency of me being able to do my wash day has definitely been decreasing my detangling time by doing things like using running water as I detangle and getting a good detangling brush. Whereas before I used to use only my fingers, now I've kind of figured out the best way to do it is with running water, pre-oiling the hair, and also grabbing a good detangler if at all possible. One of the things that I love to do to make wash day seem a bit more kind of like spa-like and a bit more inviting is definitely light myself a candle and make sure everything is easy to access, everything is laid out. So I'm going to be talking you through my whole situation.